So we started the concept of chi-square reciprocal of field. What is the formula? What is the formula? Chi-square is equal to what is O? Observed frequency, and E will be the expected. So whatever is given in the statement will be the observed frequency. Expected frequency can be defined by based on the theoretical information. Okay, well, so I gave you already the first problem. So in the first problem, what is the data given? We are discussing about the digits appearing in the telephone directory. So given the count, how many times it is going to appear? Okay, well, so what are you supposed to check there? Whether the digits are uniformly distributed. Okay, so what is the H0 assumption?
No difference.
The digits are equally distributed or uniformly distributed. What is H1?
Not uniformly
Not uniformly distributed. Has ever written that? Right, H0? The digits are uniformly distributed. That is the issue. H0, the digits are uniformly distributed. H1, the digits are not uniformly distributed. Okay. Now we have to calculate your E. As I told you, based on the theoretical data, we have to identify our E value. Here, what is the information given? Totally, how many digits are there? 9 digits or 10 digits? 10 digits. 0 to 9, totally 10 digits are there. How many pages are there in the telephone directory? See the data. Nothing in my face. See the data. How many pages are there in the telephone directory? We are using 0 to 9. 10 digits. Okay. Totally, how many pages is there in the telephone directory? 10 pages. In telephone directory, only 10 pages will be there, ma? We are given the data, ma. What is the frequency given here?
1026.
Okay. What is the 1026?
The times of 0.
Times it is going to appear. Okay, well. So can you identify what is the total of all frequencies? Identify what is the total of all frequencies? Total of all frequencies. Total of all frequencies. Indian question frequency varies given, right? Find the total of that one. 10,000. What is this 10,000?
Total appearance of
Appearance, right? So it appears in the pages only, right? Okay, so what is the meaning of this frequency? 0 is going to appear in 1026 pages. Okay, 1 is going to appear in 1107 pages. So this frequency is nothing but it indicates the number of pages that numbers is going to appear. Can you understand? So the overall say are you getting the decimal, no? Not a round number? Because there is no decimal values, no. Why are you getting like that? Ever getting like that or exactly 10,000? 10,000. Exactly 10,000? How is that possible, ma'am? You people don't know that also. Okay, stop it. Start from the first one. Everyone take a calculator. 1026 plus 1107 plus 997 plus 966 plus 1075 plus 933 plus 1107 plus 973 plus 964 plus 853. Press equal to symbol. 10,000.
10,000.
Okay, now everyone is getting same answer.
Yes, ma'am.
Then why first and different answers? Okay, listen. Listen now. Don't let me score. We are discussing only about the problem. Don't start talking. 10,000 what you are getting, right? Just listen. We have the sixth value as 1106. Change the question.
Okay.
Sixth value of frequency. Change it as 1106. Now we'll take round off as 10,000. 10,000 total number of pages is 10,000. Now what we are discussing, we are trying to identify whether all the numbers are equally distributed. So how can you calculate the expected frequency?
Rows and columns.
Rows and yes? Please be louder. General one mark. We have to calculation is not clear for me. Yeah, that is what I am asking you. We have to think and define what is the no formula. Now general statement என்ன சொல்லிருக்காங்க 10000 பேஜ் இருக்கு. அதுல 10 டிஜிட் ஈக்குவலா டிஸ்ட்ரிபியூட் ஆயிடும்னு சொல்லிருக்காங்க. அப்புறம் ஒவ்வொரு டிஜிட் எவ்வளவு நம்பர் ஆஃப் பேजेस வரும்? How do you get that one? 10,000 divided by 10. The total number of pages divided by the number of pages. Total number of pages. Can you understand? General logical thinking. Nothing difficult. Totally 10,000 pages are there. 10 digits are there. Everything should be equally distributed. So E will be 10,000 by 10. So this is one type of problem in goodness of it. Instead of this telephone directly, you may be given the number of mistakes in a page. Okay, number of mistakes in a page. The same logic of finding E value. Only 4 types of questions will be there in your goodness of fit. Okay, either it will be like a telephone directly questions or in the same pattern will be given as the number of pages in the number of mistakes in a page. Okay, this is the first type of problem. So write E is equal to total number of pages divided by total digits which is equal to 10,000 by 10 which is equal to 1,000. So for each digit the expected value is 1,000. Okay, what is the expected value for digit 0? 1,000. For number 1? 1,000. For all the 10 numbers, what is the expected value? 1,000. So it is constant for all the digits. It will not vary. Okay. Now you know O as well as E. What you have to do now?
O minus E.
You have to form that table to get your chi-square value. Form the table. First column O, second column E, third column O minus E. O minus E the whole square. Whole square by form the same table. Here O values are 1026, 1107, 997, 866, 966, 1075, 983, 1106, 972, 962. What is the expected values?
1,000.
1,000. How much more? the remaining O minus C, O minus the whole square.
minus 20.
Which one? Last square.
853 ma.
Fill the table and tell me the last column total. Summation of O minus C the whole square by E. Anyone got the answer? How much more? 58.274. Others? Anyone else completed? I think 58.1. 58.274. Oh, good. Do the calculation how is it? Good, very good. Here we are 0.0. And when you approximate, minimum 3 decimal places you approximate now. Even if you go up to 4 decimal places, it is good. But minimum 3 decimal places, not less than 3. When you divide and write the answers. Okay, shall we proceed? So the total is 58.274. 58.274. So actually this is our chi-square value. No separate calculation for formula. So below the table write everyone. Everyone write below the table. The test statistic is chi-square equal to summation of O minus C the whole square by E. Summation of O minus C the whole square by E. This is nothing but total of lost column. So the total of lost column is 58.274. Yes. Every day same answer.
733.
Surely you will not get that answer. Because everything is saying as simple 2 digits less than 21. So you will not get that answer. Everyone written 58.274. Now we got the calculated value. To get table value, what are the things you have to decide? Alpha and degrees of freedom. Whether alpha is given in a statement? No. So what is alpha you can assume? 0.05. So right? Let mind proceeding with the other steps, kindly listen. And proceeding with the other steps, listen. Those who didn't get the right answer, go to home and recheck your answer. So right, let alpha equal to 0.05. Degrees of freedom for numbers of weights n minus 2. So total how many data are given? 10. So 10 minus 1 will be 9. Now we have to get a table value chi-square alpha. Look at your table. 16.91. Everyone got the table value? Chi-square table. Alpha 0.05. Degrees of freedom is 9.
16.9.
16.919. Completed? Now, tell me the conclusion. Whether this value is greater or lesser? Greater. Greater means accept or reject?
Reject.
Reject. Can you compare only these two values? If this is greater means reject H0. If this is lesser means accept H0. So write the conclusion. Since modulus of calculated value is greater than modulus of table value, reject H0. Reject H0. Reject H0 means the statement in H0 is false. So H1 is true. What is the assumption H1?
Not uniformly distributed.
Not uniformly distributed. So right, hence the digits in the telephone directory, are not uniformly distributed. So I remember so that I gave you some homework problem for yesterday, right? Everyone completed? Anyone was not completed? Did you all solve individually? Or you copied from your friends? Anyone? Did you all try it individually or copied from your friends? Boys?
Calculation, right? Last value.
That's no problem. Boys, everyone, try individually? Anyone? Right or not? Let's say yes or no. No. Anyone else who has not tried? Got it. Tell me the answer. in practice problem everyone got the same answer? Table? Table answer.
Stable value.
Like 9.488 is specified value or table value?
Table value.
I did ask you the table value. Then you will calculate value.
25.848.
unanimous answer it for any one problem, right? Okay, 25 columns it's okay, ma. But in the examination, that may reduce the mark also. Because in the answer sheet they will be having one paper, one value. If the majority of them are getting only that answer means they will be given full marks. We do the approximation also, you may lose mark. So each and every step do that approximation correctly. Okay, final conclusion, accept or reject H0?
Reject H0.
Reject. Because the calculated value will be reject. Okay, very good then. We will continue with this one. Take the next problem. The following table gives the number of aircraft accidents that occurred during the various days of the week. Test whether the accidents are uniformly distributed over the week. Accidents are uniformly distributed over the week. Week. W-E-K. Take the data. You are given the days and the number of accidents. So days are given as Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday, Friday, Saturday. Number of accidents are given as 14, 18, 12, 11, 15, 14. It is similar to our previous problem. There we discussed the number of digits appearing. Here we are discussing the number of accidents. Survey is not given now. It's not compulsory that you have to consider all the data for study. It depends on how you are going to make the assumption. Okay, so what you discussed here, number of aircraft accidents happening for 1 week. Here 1 week they consider only from Monday to Saturday. Okay, this is another type of problem. Dealing with number of accidents. It may be aircraft accidents, it may be plane accidents, or it may be bus accident or any other accident. But solving will be the same logic. Okay, so on Monday how many accidents are happening? 14. Tuesday?
18.
Saturday?
14.
You can understand what is the data given. Okay. Now what will be the H0 assumption? What are you supposed to check? Which is uniformly distributed? Accidents. You have to check whether the accidents are uniformly distributed. So what is H0? Accidents are uniformly distributed. So right, H0. The accidents are Easy or not, ma? Here one thing you should be careful, ma. In this problem is given as Monday to Saturday. In some problems they may give only from Monday to Friday. Or some problems may give all the 7 days also. So denominator should be careful about your given data. Don't make any random assumptions. Okay, now we got D. What is the next step? Do it. So 14, 18, 12, 11, 15, 14. For all the E values, 14. Find O minus E. No need for calculator also, right? O minus E. What is the first value?
0.
Next one?
4.
Next?
Minus 4.
Next? Minus 3. Next? 1. Last one? O minus E the whole square? 0. 16. Last column. So 0 everything will be 0. Fill 1 with the remaining 4. Okay, fill it. Give me the last total. Final total. What is the answer now? 2.1. Three decimal places at least. We change the mode settings. We should approximate to minimum 3 or 4 decimal places. In your mode, you have to go and change the number of decimal places. So, okay, 2.14 to 7. Because our chi-square value, table value is at least 3 decimal places. So, we should have the 3 decimal places. So that we can compare and write the conclusion properly. 2.14. Exactly 2.14. 2.1427. Check whether you have done the approximations everywhere 3 decimal places. Minimum. So write 2.1427. Shall we proceed? Shall we proceed now? Below the table. So write the test statistic is chi-square equal to summation of O minus E the whole square by E. Test statistic is summation of O minus E the whole square by E, which is equal to 2.1427. What is the next step now? Alpha and degrees of freedom. What is alpha? 0.05. Degrees of freedom U equal to n minus 1. How many letters are given? 6. So 6 minus 1 will be 5.
11.070. 070.
11.070. Everyone know the table value? Don't blindly copy, but you should know how to deal with the tables. Now compare. This is calculated value, this is table value. Calculated value is lesser or greater? Lesser. Then accept or reject? Accept. Very good. Right. 6. Modulus of calculated value is less than modulus of table value. Accept H naught. Accept H naught. So accept H naught means what is the conclusion?
Accidents are uniformly distributed.
In which accidents are uniformly distributed over the table. Hence, the accidents are uniformly distributed throughout next one, ma. Next problem. A die is thrown. Next problem. A die is thrown 264 times. 264 times with the following result. With the following result. Show that the die is biased. Show that the die is biased. So this can come for a die or it can come for a head. Coin toss. Biased, B-I-A-S-E-D. Biased means what is the meaning? We discussed this in our unit 1. We discussed the coin problem and the time problems. What is biased or unbiased? Unbiased means it is a perfect coin or a perfect die. Each and everything will have an equal chance of appearing. Okay, biased means
They have
it is
equal
not
chance to get
everything does not have an equal chance of appearing. Okay, but some place it may be damaged. If it is damaged, means what will happen? The same number may appear for more number of times than the others. Okay, if the coin is damaged, means one side if it is heavy, means what will happen? That side only will come again and again repeatedly for more number of times. Okay, so unbiased means it is a perfect one. Everything has an equal chance of happening. Biased means just the opposite.
not equal.
Okay, it does not have an equal chance of happening. Okay, now we have to check that whether the die is a biased or not. Okay, take a look at the numbers appear. Numbers appear in the die and the frequency. Number appear is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Frequency 40, 32, 28, 58, 54, 52. So what you are supposed to check? The dice is biased or unbiased. So what is the H naught assumption now? Biased or unbiased?
Biased.
Why biased?
Equally.
Biased means what is the meaning? Not having equal chance of happening. Okay, what is unbiased? Equal. So now tell me what is H naught? Unbiased. Okay, unbiased means what is the meaning? Everything has an equal chance of happening. So H naught means it is equal. So always H naught will be unbiased, H1 will be an biased one. So right? So this can be a coin problem or a die problem. Both will be the same logic. Okay, the die problem as well as they give it as a coin problem. Number of times a head is appearing or number of times a tail is appearing. Okay, like that they will give it later. So right, H naught, the die is unbiased. H1, the die is biased. The die is biased. Okay, now what we said, everything has an equal chance of appearing. Okay, total how many digits are there?
6.
6 digits. How many times you are throwing the dice? 264. Okay, so what is the chance of getting one digit? How many times it can appear? 44. How do you get that one? 1600 means 1600 means the numbers in the four groups were 882, 313, 287, 118. Four groups were 882, 313, 287 and 118. Full stop. The experimental result support the theory. The experimental result support the theory. Pavitra, what is section of your SEO? Yes. Read the question note here from your notebook. Others try to identify how can you calculate? Yes. Good. What are you doing? Am I very slow? Sonia, finish it. Shall I go first? Then? Same order, what you many times. Still, how many times you expect me to give the warning? Do you want to go out of the class? Don't want to listen? You can. You can be an outstanding person for the class, max class. No issues. What? Tell me first, what is the problem? Whether you want to be an outstanding person? Yes or no? Listen to the class properly. Sit. Can I understand what is the question given here, ma'am? Yes? About which one you are discussing, ma'am? The proportion of means. Okay, you are given two informations. Based on the theoretical one, they have said that the proportion of means will be in the ratio 9:3:1. This is by theoretical part. What they have done, they have taken 1600 samples. From that samples, they have got this to be a proportion of means in the group A, B, C, D. In group A, it will be 882, group B, it will be 313 and so on. Okay? Can you tell me whether this value is expected or observed? These four values? Expected or observed?
Observed, ma'am. They already giving 1600 here.
Because now they are getting all these four values by doing an experiment. They are taking only 1600 means. In that they are identifying which is belong to group A, group B, group C and group D. By practical application they are getting it. So this is our answer. Now we have calculated E value. So our previous problem is what you have done, total and the number of values. But here the information is given in the form of the ratio. This is the next type of question which is possible. Okay? The entire data is given in a ratio format. Based on this one you have to get your expected values. Before that, as I said, what is H naught? What is the first to check? Where the experimental result support the theoretical data. So what we have H naught? Not support. No difference. Equal. It is like yes. Okay, but so what do we have H naught?
Support the
theoretical data. The experimental data supports the theoretical data. So right, H naught, the experimental data, that is what I asked now. The experimental data supports the theory. The experimental data or result supports the theory. What will be H1?
Not support the theory.
Right. The experimental result of data does not support the theory. Does not support the theory. So now you get the E value for all the four groups. How can you find it?
1600.
So how many means you have taken? 1600.
400.
You understand? Ratio problem should be solved like this. Take for P. Total is 1600. It is divided into 16 parts. How many square will be? 3. So what is the answer? For C, 300. Because again it is right, 3 by 16. Again 300. Finally for P. 1600 into 1 by 16. What is the answer? 100. You can cross verify now. All this expected total also should be equal to 1600. Are you getting it out now? Okay, you can understand how to solve the ratio problem? Okay, totally 1600 is there. We have divided them into 16 parts. How many square for each one? You multiply by that one. Okay, that's all. The other steps are same. So whatever is given is your O values. This is your E value. What is the next step you have to do?
O minus E there.
Tabulation. Okay, shall I give that also to you? Only 2 tables. Okay, tomorrow we are not having class. So tomorrow 1 full day we are having. The hand programming is tomorrow. Okay, wow. So you have 2 days left. Today and tomorrow you can complete both the problems. Not sure, but the company purposes wants to be safe, so they are taking less. Okay. Now continue. Any doubt now? Any doubt so far? Any doubts? Come back to class. We will discuss afterwards. Any doubt in the problem? So I told you all the different types of problems possible now. There is one more type of problem which I am going to discuss with you. Okay, wow. Now we solve all the problems in a general way. But we can solve the problems by using their distributions also. Okay, what are the distributions yesterday? Unit 2. Binomial, Poisson. This two will be the frequently used distributions. Either binomial or Poisson. This also you should know. Why? Because it's that we can solve the problems generally, nothing more. Okay, they will give a one-day general statement. We solve it directly or by distributions, you will be given the marks. But there are some problems where they particularly mention that you have to solve it only by distribution. There you will not have any choice, you have to solve only by using the distribution. That is the next concept what you are going to discuss. Either you are going to solve the problem by binomial distribution or Poisson. Or some cases the question will be that fit your binomial distribution to the given data or fit your Poisson distribution to the given data. Like that also the questions can come. So in that always the H0 assumptions will be it is a good fit. What means H1? Not a good fit. Whether it be binomial or it may be Poisson. Okay, so that's the next type of problem which is possible under this course. Okay, for this there will be a change in the degrees of freedom. General problems means the degrees of freedom will be n minus 1. If it is for binomial means the degrees of freedom will be n minus 1. But for Poisson the degrees of freedom will be n minus 2. Okay, note it down.
For that formula only differ.
New alone will differ. Okay, getting E value will differ. I will tell you when we discuss the problem. Okay, note down. For Poisson distribution, make a note. For Poisson distribution, degrees of freedom mu equal to n minus 2. N minus 2. For all the general problems and the binomial, it will be n minus 1. Okay. Already I discussed this point in unit 2. Again I will take out. Okay. So I will give this values for x values. For binomial distribution, what is the n value? By 4.
5.
I am not asking about degrees of freedom. I am asking you to calculate only the n value.
6 mark.
N value will be 6 for 5.
6 mark.
6. Now Poisson distribution.
Ma'am, you asking only n value.
I am asking only
6
the
only.
5. For Poisson distribution is 5. Any changes? Wrong.
6 only, ma'am, for that.
For which one 6 mark?
Poisson distribution.
Poisson distribution 6. What did I tell you, ma'am? become wrong. Table value will become wrong. Conclusion will become wrong. Okay, remember this point correctly. Already I told you this in unit 2. Okay, you should not forget this. How many minutes left now? 5 minutes.